Good evening, and welcome to tonight's financial update. In a series of significant and promising developments, Iraq is paving the way for potential changes in the value of the Iraqi dinar, drawing the attention of investors both in Iraq and abroad. With key shifts in monetary policy, there is a growing sense of optimism about the future of the dinar. Let's break down the latest updates and what they could mean for the currency's trajectory. In a move that marks a clear departure from Iraq's previous monetary practices, the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has decided to end its long-standing currency auctions. For years, these auctions have been a cornerstone of Iraq's monetary policy, designed to manage the exchange rate and provide liquidity to the market. However, the CBI's decision to halt these auctions signals a new approach, one that is focused on strengthening the value of the Iraqi dinar. Instead of relying on these auctions, the CBI is shifting toward a system that places greater emphasis on the inherent value of the Iraqi dinar itself. The plan is to replace the auctions with mechanisms that give the currency more value in international markets, especially as Iraq moves towards increasing trade and transactions with other countries. This could potentially open doors to a wider range of foreign currencies for Iraq's import and export activities, helping to strengthen the economy as a whole. One of the most significant aspects of this shift is the introduction of a so-called international basket of currencies, which will include the Iraqi dinar. By pairing the dinar with other well-established foreign currencies, such as the US dollar, the euro, and possibly the British pound, Iraq is taking a major step toward internationalizing its currency. This development suggests that the dinar may soon be subject to the global dynamics of currency exchange rates, allowing it to establish a more secure and valued position in the world market. The potential impact of these changes is considerable. Investors who have been closely watching the Iraqi dinar are now faced with the possibility of a gradual revaluation. While it's important to maintain caution, the movement toward a new value-based system for the dinar does carry with it the prospect of long-term growth. The gradual introduction of foreign currencies into Iraq's economy may strengthen the dinar's foundation and lead to increased demand in international markets. This, in turn, could help drive up the value of the currency. It is important to note, however, that these changes won't happen overnight. Reforms of this magnitude take time to fully implement, and the Iraqi government will need to continue addressing key issues in its financial and economic sectors to ensure the success of this new approach. But there is no denying that these steps represent a bold and optimistic move forward for the Iraqi dinar. For investors, the news is undoubtedly exciting. While the path ahead remains uncertain, the possibility of a revaluation and the resulting increase in the dinar's value offers a glimmer of hope. Iraq's decision to stop the CBI auctions and embrace a more internationally integrated currency system could provide the foundation for a stronger, more competitive dinar. As Iraq continues its economic reforms and works to strengthen its ties with global markets, the outlook for the Iraqi dinar looks promising. So, what does this all mean for investors? The message is clear. It's time to stay informed, engaged, and hopeful. The introduction of these new policies is a critical step toward a more prosperous future for Iraq's economy and the value of the Iraqi dinar. While there are no guarantees, the evolving situation provides a reason for optimism, suggesting that the best may be yet to come for those invested in the dinar. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest updates on this developing story, and as always, thank you for joining us tonight. The future of the Iraqi dinar may be brighter than ever before.